Okay guys, this next item is one of our bigger modifications here for the ND Miata, and that is our micro stubby antenna. Figured we'd do you guys a little walkthrough on what you need to do right here to install this product. Firmly unscrew your current antenna and reinstall our perfect stubby antenna. And what I mean by perfect is if you look at ours versus the competition, you can see the perfect contour. Everything lines up as if it was OEM. There's nothing like driving around the back roads out here in California in your tiny two-door coupe looking like an RC car. So we definitely wanted to make this look a little bit more sleek, kind of how we feel Mazda should have given it to us from the factory, the MiataSpeed Stubby antenna.